back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I know non-phone data entry is the most sought after, so that is what I have for you today. But real quickly, before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. And as always, all the links to all the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company Amplify. Now, I always try to do a little bit of research on these companies to try to weed out scams, but make sure you're always doing your own research before giving anybody your personal information. But Amplify has 541 reviews from current and past employees, and they rank in at a 4.3 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a data entry specialist. This is remote for the United States only, and it is a contractor 1099 position. But Amplify has been a pioneer in the K-12 education space since 2000, and they're trying to lead the way in the next generation curriculum and assessments. But they're seeking someone who is highly organized to be a data entry specialist. You're going to have various departments that you're working with manual data entry and manual data cleanup initiatives. So they've got some data entry and data cleanup that multiple departments need help with. So you're going to meet with the data entry lead, raise any issues, concerns, or roadblocks you have regarding your data entry task. You'll coordinate with other departments to gain an understanding of the data entry or data cleanup needs, and you'll lead the timeline and set expectations for yourself appropriately. You're going to be self-managing and setting and meeting your own deadlines. So you're going to be given like a data entry and data cleanup project, and when it's due, and you need to set your own deadlines of how much you need to do each day or whatever to meet that. Now, they don't require any kind of a college degree. They're looking for somebody who's 18 years or older, someone who has great communication skills, proficient at typing, and accurate spelling skills. Of course, you've got to have knowledge in word processing and spreadsheet programs, Google Suite tools like Google Docs and Google Sheets. You need to be comfortable with technology, including software, online navigation, using the internet, those types of things. You got to have great time management skills and be a multitasker. If this is you, they are paying $20 an hour for this position. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.